What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. Today we're tackling leftover mushrooms. Don't toss them out. We're transforming them into 5 incredible dishes you'll love. First up, we're making a delicious chicken and mushroom dish. This dish is a perfect blend of tender chicken and savory mushrooms, ideal for a hearty meal. For this recipe, you'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, half a cup of heavy cream, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Start by heating the olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook for about 3 minutes until softened. Add the garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Then, add the chicken pieces and cook until they're browned on all sides. Pour in the chicken broth and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked through. Next, we're warming things up with a savory mushroom soup. This soup is incredibly easy to make and it's bursting with flavor. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of mushrooms, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, a quarter cup of butter, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Begin by melting the butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for 5 minutes until softened. Add the garlic and cook for another minute. Stir in the flour and cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Gradually whisk in the vegetable broth and heavy cream until smooth. Chapter 3. Let's move on to an appetizer that's always a crowd-pleaser, flavor-packed stuffed mushrooms. These bite-sized treats are perfect for parties or game day snacks. To make these delicious bites, you'll need 1 pound of large mushrooms, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of chopped fresh parsley, a quarter cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Remove the stems from the mushrooms and chop them finely. In a large bowl, combine the chopped mushroom stems, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, parsley, onion, garlic, egg, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Chapter 4. Now we're making a classic weeknight dinner, simple mushroom pasta. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of pasta. Your choice. 1 pound of mushrooms, half a cup of heavy cream, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped shallot, 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Cook the pasta according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil and butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped shallot and cook for about 3 minutes until softened. Add the garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Chapter 5. Finally, let's end our culinary journey with a breakfast, or anytime favorite, a mushroom and cheese omelet. This protein-packed dish is perfect for a satisfying and flavorful meal. You'll need 3 eggs, a quarter cup of milk, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of chopped mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of butter, salt, and pepper. In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs and milk until light and frothy. Season with salt and pepper. Melt the butter in a nonstick skillet over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the edges are set. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to use up those leftover mushrooms. I told you we wouldn't let them go to waste. Which recipe are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, stay beastly.